Hey folks, your buddy Adam here, and we just mounted this. It is a solar 3K security camera that I absolutely love by a tremendous brand. Now this thing is going to keep me safe over here on the side of my yard because it's waterproof, because it's solar, and because it is very convenient. It's going to give me notifications on my phone. It's going to make it easy for me to talk to people and say, hey, get out of my yard. Now, we've got a crew here right now trimming the trees, and you may hear them in the background. This makes me feel safe knowing that I can keep an eye on the crew at any time. I can talk to them, and we've run into issues before. Right there on the lake, we were getting the roof done. I left the house, and suddenly everyone went out and started net fishing on my lake. And I didn't want them net fishing on my lake, right off my dock. So I was able to get on the security camera and say, hey, guess what? Stop net fishing and get off my lake and get back to working on the roof. And they did. And that kept my house safe and secure. I even caught a guy on a construction team try to go into my back porch. I don't know why, but I got the notification on my phone and I was able to say, hey, get off my back porch. So this has been a very useful device for me. Now it's got a large lithium rechargeable battery that can be recharged with USB-C. You can run an external solar panel. You can run a straight wire for electricity, or you can use that panel right on top to make sure you're keeping a pretty cool charge 24/7, 365. Folks, another big time advantage that this offers that I've never seen before is that solar panel is completely removable from the top of the device, and it comes with a 3-meter extension cord so we can mount that anywhere. So let's imagine you want your camera on a part of the porch that doesn't get any sun. Run this out to the sun any particular direction and you are completely covered, and it comes with everything you need. And in fact, not only does it come with a mount, but this is the universal tripod and camera mount. So you can put this pretty much anywhere, and it's going to be universally accepted, but they do give you everything you need to mount it in an area that gets the most sun to make sure that you're covered, and your camera can literally be indoors and working for you with no sunlight at all. It's got an enormous LED light that's going to light up the night, whether that is using the IR to where you can see without turning it on or kicking it on. This does a great job. This has all the notifications and settings that we're going to show you in the app here in a moment, and it's easy to install. Folks, one of the nice aspects to this light is it can kind of illuminate an area. So if I'm taking the trash out at night, this gives me the illumination I need to make sure that I'm safe and I can see my surroundings and get everything done that I need, thanks to this very bright illumination available right when I need it. Now in this video, we're going to talk about the usage. We're going to show you the app. We're going to show you what comes in the box. But most importantly, we're going to tell you to go pick this up because it's high quality from a great brand that historically has a 0 defect rate. They've been making high quality products for a long period of time. So folks, let's go ahead, check out some of the features in the app, plus the installation. Then we're going to come back here and tell you even more. All right, folks, I do want to show you how easy this is to install. I held the power button for about 3 seconds. It'll say go ahead and scan, so I will click add. I already recognized it, and it's asking to be connected to the Wi-Fi. So as soon as it finds my Wi-Fi, we will be able to connect automatically, and that's pretty cool. Let's go ahead and use this first one here.
Wi-Fi network. It may take a moment. Please wait for a while.
So yeah, it's connecting to the Wi-Fi network. All I had to do is enter my Wi-Fi. Literally a matter of seconds, and now it's just installing. It says device is getting ready, and it's registering the device. All right, folks, literally took less than 20 seconds to connect. Very cool there. Now we can determine where we want to put this. We'll put it in our backyard. Done. Son. And we can sign up for their aosu, their Protect program, aosu Protect, for cloud storage and enhanced capabilities. Very cool. And now we are in. It's working just fine. We can go ahead and start using the camera. And you can see, I might need to mute it. So there we go. You can turn on the alarm. You can use your voice alerts.
Hey, what are you doing here?
That's pretty cool. You can change the tone. And obviously you're going to want to do this from further away. And you can even turn on that bright, bright light. You can look at events, easy peasy, particularly if you subscribe to the plan right here. Going back to live, we've got settings that we can adjust accordingly, light settings, AI surveillance, notification settings we can adjust accordingly, night vision and cloud recording. We can enable things like passing, pet, intrusion, staying, intrusion prevention at yard wall, low power, etc., notifications, etc. So very cool that this has all these settings, easy to adjust, convenient. You can have a sleep schedule, battery management, night vision, etc. And folks, I do want to show you how good that night vision looks on camera. Just easy to see, easy to understand, and very beautiful night vision. And even without the Protect program, you can see that we still get event notification, so we know when somebody weird has been checking out the camera. All right, folks, and the other thing that's really cool about this is that it's completely waterproof. So even when we're pouring water right onto it, it's going to go ahead and give us a very nice video image. We never have to worry about it. They've just done a great job giving us a camera that's perfect. So folks, on top of all that, I love the fact that you're able to see nature with this camera. This is really beautiful, whether it's day or night, and that IR camera is great because you can spy on the raccoons and night creatures without turning on that full, big, high lumen light. That thing is super bright and fantastic as well. So with a quick Wi-Fi setup, the year-round battery, and the motion-activated floodlight that will just come on as soon as it sees something, that's going to keep you safe and secure. It's going to give you some peace of mind. They say the best way, there's two really good ways to protect your house. One is with light, and two is with cameras. So lights, cameras, action. You are safe and good to go. Folks, this is powerful, it has a built-in siren. It is weather resistant, and it's one for the ages. I highly recommend you go pick up this brand right here. They've been making high quality products for a long period of time, and this indeed is the best of the best. Go check it out. Now you can forget the rest. Goodbye, my friends. Go pick one up. All right, folks, now it's time for our up-close portion of the video. 3K Ultra HD solar-powered wireless security camera. Yeah, we're very excited about this. It does work with your Echo device and your Google Home. 400 lumen flood light, so it's got a big light that's going to be great at night. And this will have live view video recording, Ultra HD videos, real-time notifications on your smartphone or device, two-way talk, and of course smart motion detection, all available with the app in your Play Store. Okay, in addition, let's see if we can zoom in so you can read that a little bit better with us. Year-round unlimited battery life. That's nice. That solar panel is pretty impressive. The quick Wi-Fi setup, only a few clicks away. Motion activated floodlight as well, so it will click on if anyone's in your yard or by your house, wherever you have it. Full color day and night vision. Powerful built-in siren, and of course weather resistant design. Now you're probably wondering, but Adam, what comes in the box? Well, first and foremost, the light itself. We'll ASMR this, what do you think? There we go. Here's your solar panel, integrated installation, detached installation. You can do either. Okay, so you can actually have a detached solar panel if you want to, or just use that piece accordingly. Very nice. Okay, it does come with your quick start guide. You're probably not even going to need it. It's so simple. Just download that app. A mount accordingly. Same here. This side is up. USB-C extender right there, and USB-A to C. So you're going to give it a full charge the first time you use it, of course. and then it's going to mount right in. You've got this impressive design. There's your USB-C to where you can run it separately or straight to the panel on top. And they've just done a great job here, giving you everything you need. There's your SD card slot, your on-off, or your reset, your power, etc., folks. So if you're looking for the best device in all the land, one that's going to be an easy mount, one that's going to be designed to protect you, your home, and your family, well, guess what? I've never recommended a brand more than this. The 3K beautiful resolution Ultra HD solar powered wireless security camera is the one for you, and it's the one for me. Folks, I highly recommend you please pick this up. You will not be disappointed. You know I love you. You know I appreciate you. But what are you waiting for? It's time to get to shopping. Go pick one up today. Goodbye, my friends.